do rapid fire questions, right? You have to answer without thinking, and also give me one or two reasons why. Very short, okay?
Mm.
So, tea or coffee?
I love tea. Even I can't spend my day without tea, especially in the morning. It really gives me energetic, and whenever I don't take tea, I feel sleepy.
Uh, you can visit over and over again.
Okay, so my dream place is Switzerland.
No, one place that you have already been to and you can visit it over and over again.
Okay. So my mother house, obviously, I would love to go there again and again. Even though, like in a life, sometimes we get busy with son, family, we have a lot of responsibility, but that place is very close to my heart. Okay.
Been to
So,
interviews.
okay. So what kind of thing should we keep in our mind while going to interview?
Okay, firstly, I think how you present yourself, that is how you look. So I would definitely suggest wearing.
Non-verbal skill. Which one is more important while having an interview?
What do you mean by verbal or non-verbal? Like, I didn't get it.
Okay, so the first one is verbal, like as we are speaking, as we are giving answer, like you ask me some question, the way I give answer, the way I explain everything, right? And non-verbal is like our body posture, our eye contact, how my sitting position, so everything. So what do you think? Which one is more important?
I think definitely.
We might feel like I'm a confidence, my sitting position is good, I'm explaining everything very well, but it's not like this. Might if you give second interview or third interview, you might be more confidence. So I think here again practice is very important. Sometimes we learn a lot of things from our experience, right?
Morning. How have you been?
Yeah, I'm doing great. What
Were
about
you busy? Were you like
you?
in some walk?
Yeah, I was busy. Actually, I forgot that I have a scheduled session or not. And when I got message on my Zoom, and then I just come directly.
Okay.
Yeah. And how has your day been? Just taking a session or something else?
No, just I had my breakfast and then I sat down for my session. I think this is my last session for today.
Oh, okay, great. So, and then what will you do?
In the evening, I have my own studies. I will do that. I might have a place to go to as well. So let's see how it all goes. What's your plan? Anything special for the weekends?
I don't make any plans, so I believe in a random plan. So if I want to go somewhere, just I make a random plan and I go. Not too far, like in my close area, so I would go. I usually I don't make any plan. Like if I wants to go, if I want to go my friend house, then I make a plan. Otherwise, I don't need to make any plan. And
Okay, that's great.
I think same, right? Do you any plan? Do you have a plan for the weekend?
Not really,
Mhm.
since all the occasions have now like gone and there's no occasion to celebrate. So there's
Mhm.
no plan anymore.
Mhm.
That's all. If I
Ah,
want to go somewhere, I will, but otherwise, there's no plan.
exactly. Yeah. So how's the weather there?
I think it's getting cold day by day.
Where are you?
In West Bengal.
Okay, okay, West Bengal. So right now I'm in Hyderabad. So here weather change a lot. So right, like today is a hot. It's like a scorching hot, I can say. But sometimes it's cold. So here weather change every day. It's not a permanent. Yeah.
Yeah, here also the weather is transitioning. Like
Mhm.
sometimes we feel quite cold actually.
Ah, okay. So you have you started wearing sweater and all?
No, not really.
Okay.
But I think in 2 weeks or so we might.
Okay. It's the same like UP, like in Mirzapur and there, right? So it's same like to that. Mm. Okay, so have you ever faced any interview?
Yes, definitely. I've
Okay,
been to
so
interviews.
what kind of thing should we keep in our mind while going to interview?
Okay, firstly, I think how you present yourself, that is how you look. So I would definitely suggest wearing ironed clothes. I think that makes so much of an impression how your clothes look. So wearing proper ironed clothes. If you even if you're wearing a sari, it should be very well pleated, right? since we are women, we have long hair, it should be tied, or like it should look tidy and neat, not all over the place, right? Secondly, obviously a lot of it depends on your preparation, like the kind of interview you're going to. A lot of it depends on your preparation, but also your body language, your confidence, your eye contact also matters. Like when
Yeah.
you're giving answers, you should be looking at the person you're talking to,
Mm.
right? Your voice should be audible, and you should sound confident
Yeah.
about your answers.
Mhm.
And often at times I notice that when people don't know the answer of a particular question that they are being asked, they just make up any answer randomly and say it, which I don't think makes a good impression. I think it's always better to politely say that, sorry, I'm not aware of it, or sorry, I don't know the answer. It's much better than saying something wrong.
Yeah. I think that is also very important. So, what do you think, verbal or non-verbal skill? Which one is more important while having an interview?
What do you mean by verbal or non-verbal? Like, I didn't get it.
Okay, so the first one is verbal, like as we are speaking, as we are giving answer, like you ask me some question, the way I give answer, the way I explain everything, right? And non-verbal is like our body posture, our eye contact, how my sitting position, so everything. So what do you think? Which one is more important?
I think definitely verbal, but also brownie points for non-verbal as well, because body posture, like you have to sit straight, your
Yeah.
shoulders should be, straight. You can't be slouching like this. So there
Mhm.
are certain things that also will get you good impression, in my
Yeah,
opinion.
yeah. But what I feel sometimes whenever we get nervous, people can understand because of your body language,
Yeah,
right?
because you fidget, right?
Yeah.
You probably, like, with your fingers, we do now when we fidget, like we twist our fingers or anything. So it's quite obvious to the other person that we are being anxious. So
Mm.
even though we are, we cannot show it to them. I think that's a hidden talent we all should have.
Yeah, and we get this hidden talent whenever once we start facing several interview, right? Like in a first interview, we might feel like I'm a confidence, my sitting position is good, I'm explaining everything very well, but it's not like this. Might if you give second interview or third interview, you might be more confidence. So I think here again practice is very important. Sometimes we learn a lot of things from our experience, right?
Yeah, obviously. Like
Mm.
even before my first session on clapping, I was extremely nervous,
Mm.
right? How things are gonna be. But I don't think the other person understood that it's my first session and I'm being anxious. I don't think that they understood. So I think, yeah, sometimes we have to manage it like that with our
Yeah.
body language and everything.
Mhm. Yeah. So, when did you, when it was, like
When
how,
was it? Okay, like I think it's been more than a month now.
okay, okay. Means you are a new on clapping, right? Not.
Yeah, you can call me that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. But great. Yeah. Every day you get to learn a lot right here. So I think we should do a kind of work that the first thing we should enjoy it. That is also very important. And the second thing, if we get to learn every day, so that is also very important. And the third
Yeah.
thing I think on Clappingo, the best part is that we can do from anywhere, right? You don't need to go to office. It's like a work from home. So that's the best part is that you can connect it
Mm.
from anywhere.
Yeah, I think it's even better for learners because probably you're taking one session in a day, right? So
Mhm.
it's obviously convenient for. But what I face in terms of work from home is that there is so less physical activity for me,
Yeah.
that I have to consciously go out on walks to keep myself physically active. And secondly, I think it feels a bit also lonely at times because you don't get to meet real life people, right? It's all virtual, and also you don't know other tutors as well. So
Yeah.
it, like, there are no colleagues for you. So
Yeah.
that's, I think that's a drawback as well.
And I think you have never attended any meeting, right? Like all tutors
No, 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 we
first
don't
from, right?
have that.
Mm.
facility.
Okay, there is a tutor named Upasna. She speak.
Yeah, amazing. I have watched so
Uh,
many of
I-
her video sessions.
oh,
I think
okay.
she's an amazing speaker.
She is so energetic. Whenever I talk to her, she has a lot to speak. Like you just have to listen only. She has a lot to speak.
Yeah, yeah, I do love watching her videos, I think.
Okay. Yeah, I really like her accent, the way she speak and everything. Uh, so yeah. And do you have any question for me?
Mm, like not really not something that I can think of as of now, I think. I've already asked you so much,
Mm,
like over the sessions that we have had.
yeah, yeah, of course.
So
Okay.
tell me what you were doing prior to our class, like what kept you busy?
Okay, so I'm going to tell you since what I did today since morning, right? So today I woke up early in the morning. I went to the gym. That is the best part of my day, and I really enjoy doing exercise, right? So I love to go every day. Earlier, even I had a problem to waking up early in the morning, but since I joined the gym, and that's the reason I started waking early in the morning. And now I feel like my day is more productive because I feel really energetic whenever I go to the gym. You know that music and people doing exercise next to me. So somewhere it motivates me to do and more and more. And that is really a very different environment, I can say. So 1 hour I spent there, then I come back and I took a shower. Then just straightforward, I just went to the kitchen, prepared breakfast, and then I got my baby ready for school. Then I sent him to school. After that,
Mm.
I completed again. I had my breakfast and I completed all my kitchen work and lunch and all. And then I take some rest too. I took some rest too. And then I started taking classes from Coursera. So when I got message on my Zoom that I have scheduled a call, but I forgot it that today I had scheduled any session.
Like how long do you have to like take a booking prior to, like for
Uh,
today's class
yeah, I
at
think for today's class I have booked I think 3 days before.
really?
Hmm. I think,
Okay.
yeah, it's not compulsory. I can book even 1 day before too, or like a same day if any session is available. So, but this session I booked it, I think 3 days before. And you know, one more thing, why I think 3 days ago, why I booked this session because I woke up early in the morning, and this time I really feel sleepy. So whenever I take a session, that really refresh me, and then I don't feel sleepy, and that's why I scheduled this session. So that I can do my other work too after this session.
Okay, so while booking a session, are you all aware of the tutors, like who is taking a session, or is it a surprise when
Uh,
you join?
it's no, I didn't see that name. Yeah, so it's like a surprise. But usually
Okay.
I think I have seen in the morning you are available, right? Like this time I can say, and
Yeah, I take from 11 to 1
yeah,
in the
and
morning.
between 3 to 4 I have seen Upasna is available that time. Mhm. And sometimes I get with Divyam. Do you know Divyam?
Yeah,
And
yeah, I've seen his
Ananya ma'am
videos.
is really very nice. Even I want to take session with her, but she is not available all the time. Do you know her? She's an
And no, no,
advocate.
no,
Yeah.
not seen her.
Hmm. Yeah. So that's how it's going on.
Okay, let me give you two rapid fire questions, right? You have to answer without thinking, and also give me one or two reasons why. Very short, okay?
Mhm.
So, tea or coffee?
I love tea. Even I can't spend my day without tea, especially in the morning. It really gives me energetic, and whenever I don't take tea, I feel sleepy.
Okay, beaches or mountains?
Mountain. I love mountain. I love greenery and that peaceful environment that really make me happy. I used to like beaches, I think, before married and before my baby too. But now I am completely mountain person. I really enjoy mountain.
Okay, summers or winters?
Winters. I love winters, but I feel like during winter I become too lazy. I just want to sleep all the time. I don't want to do any work. Somewhere it really make me very lethargic, but I really enjoy winters. Having tea and like whenever I stand on my balcony and look at outside, so it really give me warm feeling that I really enjoy it.
Okay. One place you can visit over and over again.
Okay, so my dream place is Switzerland.
No, one place that you have already been to and you can visit it over and over again.
Okay. So my mother house, obviously, I would love to go there again and again. Even though, like in a life, sometimes we get busy with son, family, we have a lot of responsibility. But that place is very close to my heart. Obviously, I would love to go there again and again. And the problem is that I'm very far from here. Like I'm in Hyderabad, and my mother's house is in UP. So I can't go whenever I want. So I have to make a plan, then I go there. So that's the problem. Like I have seen there are a
Okay.
lot of people whose mother house is in the same city. So even though they can go even on the weekend too. But for me, it's not like this.
Okay, so that was great. Today, I think we got a bit less time because obviously you were into some other work. I hope we are getting more time in our next
Okay.
session. Okay,
Mhm.
so
Mhm.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a great day
Thank you so much for making me energetic and
ahead.
whenever I talk to you, then I don't feel sleepy.
I'm glad. I'm glad. Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye bye. Have a nice
Bye.
day.